Okay, so a little video. The other day my dog pulled me sharply and I had the key in my front door lock and the key snapped off in the lock, so it would only lock from the inside. Couldn't put the key in on the outside, so I've had to use the back door for a few days. But watching a few little tips on YouTube, etc, I've managed to solve this problem. I got today from Screwfix, got a packet of coping saw blades. Cut the end off, as you can see, and put a bit of masking tape around the end just to protect my fingers. I've got the saw teeth of the saw blade facing towards me, and I'm going to now give it a go. Place it into the lock, bit of a wriggle around. No, I didn't get it that time. Bit of a wriggle around. I'll take a few little goes. Oh, as you saw just then, what popped out was the broken bit of key. So rather than paying £100 to £200 for a locksmith to come out and just do that, make your own little tool, just like I did. And I'm very pleased with the result. And that's it. Thanks a lot. Bye.